Hello children, so here are 5 numericals from chapter Laws of Motion, Force and Laws of Motion for practice. These numericals are from NCERT. We will be covering extra numericals also in further coming videos. So everyday 5 numericals. Coming to the statement of first, a 800 kg engine pulls a train of 5 wagons, each of 2000 kg. If the engine exerts a force of 40,000 Newton and friction is of 5,000 Newton, what is the net force? This is the first part. So how much force is exerted by the engine? You can see it is written 40,000. So 40,000 is force exerted by engine. What is the frictional force? That is opposition force, 5,000. Okay, friction is opposition force. So what is the net force? 40,000 applied, 55,000 frictional force. So you can subtract, net force is 35,000. That is the answer of first part. Coming to the next part, what is the acceleration? So we have force, we'll put it equal to m into a. Okay, a is to be calculated, acceleration is to be calculated. So we just have to substitute F is equal to ma. F we have 35,000. M, let us see. So these are 5 wagons of 2000 kg each. Right. So what is the mass of 5 wagons? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 2000 into 5, that is 10,000. And what is the mass of engine? You can read here, it's 8,000 kg. So you can write here 8,000 plus 10,000. Total mass is 18,000 kg. So use the formula F is equal to ma. F you have already found as 35,000. Mass is 18,000. Substitute and you can find out the acceleration and report in SI units. Getting to the next numerical for practice. An automobile vehicle has a mass of 1500 kg. So mass is 1500. What must be the force? So they have asked force. Force is equal to question mark. If vehicle is to be stopped means final velocity is 0 and negative acceleration, it's written negative acceleration, so you'll be denoting value of acceleration as a equals negative of 1.7 meter per second square. So note down with negative sign. So we'll have to find out force. So it is simple, mass is given, acceleration is given, substitute with sign, negative sign will come here. So force will come negative, you can multiply m and a. Negative means it is retarding force. Okay, negative simply means that it is retarding force. It will reduce the motion. So get to the third numerical. Two objects each of mass 1.5 kg are moving in same direction. In same straight line but in opposite direction. The velocity of each object is this. So mass 1, 1.5 kg, mass 2, 1.5 kg. Velocity of each is 2.5, but they are moving in opposite direction. So one's initial velocity you will take as 2.5 and other's initial velocity you will take as minus because they are moving in opposite direction. One is moving like this, other is moving in such a way. So we'll have to find out what will be the velocity of the combined objects after collision. Now after collision they are moving as a combined object. What does that mean? That the final velocity of first is v and second velocity is also v when they stick together and they move. So we have done such type of questions earlier as well. So we'll use law of conservation of momentum. You know the equation. m1 u1 is plus m2 u2 is equal to m1 v1 m2 v2. Substitute 1.5 2.5 meter per second. 1.5 2.5 meter per second in opposite direction. So there is negative sign. This is 1.5. v1 is v. 1.5 is mass. v2 is also v because they have stuck together and they are moving as a single object. Now you can see it is AB and this is minus AB. Minus sign is there not, so it will come further. So 1.5 into 2.5 minus 1.5 into 2.5. So A same will be subtracted. So 0. 0 is equal to 1.5 V plus 1.5 V which is 3V. So 3 will come down. 0 by 3 is also 0. So final velocity of both the objects will be 0 meter per second. It means they will stick together and will not move. 0 meter per second. So getting to the next. A hockey ball of mass 200 gram. Write 200 gram and change into kg. 200 by 1000. So it is 1 by 5 kg. Unit must be written. Moving at this velocity. So this is the initial velocity. 10 meter per second. Write with units. Is stuck by a hockey stick so as to return along its original path. So hockey ball moved like this. Somebody hit it and it is coming back along the same path. So direction is staying because it is coming back along the same path. Return, you have to return means direction is staying. So you look, it is coming with 5 meter per second. The hockey ball is returning with 5 meter per second. So this is final velocity 5 meter per second. But because direction is changed, so what is important? Negative sign. So I have mass, initial velocity, final velocity. What is asked? Calculate change in momentum. So change in momentum is final momentum minus initial momentum. Mass into final velocity will be final momentum and mass into initial velocity will be initial momentum. This is initial momentum. This is final momentum. Substitute. Mass is 1 by 5. Can we see it here? Yes. Mass is 1 by 5. Right here and right here. Initial velocity u is 10. This is 10. Yes. So we can write 10 here. And final velocity is minus 5. So right here minus. Can you see? And 5. So calculate it properly. 5 and 5 will be cancelled. So it's minus 1. This is minus and this is 2. So it is minus 3. Now you have to remember they asked change in momentum and we have reported change in momentum. You have to recall the SI units of momentum. It's kg meter per second. So write that. So let us see this numerical now. This is last of this today's video. Prepare these numericals very nicely. A bullet of mass, this is bullet of mass 10 gram. Write mass bullet 10 gram. 10 by 1000 kg. You can change it into 1 by 10 also. Sorry, 1 by 100 kg. It's moving with the velocity of this. So this is initial velocity. Can you see u? 150 meter per second here. It comes to rest. It is hitting against a wooden block and it is coming to rest. Coming to rest means final velocity is 0. In how many seconds? This is the time. Note it down. Calculate the distance. Distance means S is to be calculated. Also calculate the force. Also calculate the force. Fine. So, see, usually what we do, we try to use some equation of motion. Right. So, we have U, we have V, we have T. So, what can we find? We can find acceleration. U, V, T we have. A can be found using first equation of motion. First equation of motion, which is acceleration is equal to V minus U by T. So, V is 0 because it is stopping. Initial velocity is 150. Time is 0.03 seconds. Substitute. 0.03 can be written as C by 100. 100 will go up. So, you can see I have done properly in steps. 3 5s are 15. 0. So, acceleration coming is this. So, I found the acceleration. Now, I have to use third equation of motion, which is V square minus U square is equal to AS. I have acceleration. Final velocity is 0. Initial velocity is 150. Substitute. Do squaring. Minus will remain as it is. This is acceleration is also negative. So, this negative sign and this negative sign will be cancelled. 2 into 5000 is 10,000. 10,000 will come down. And this is your distance covered by the bullet. Now they ask force also. So force is simple. Use F is equal to ma. This is second law. This is not equation. This is second law. So F is to be calculated. Mass is 10 by 1000. It was 10 gram. And acceleration with negative sign. You can see this negative sign. Then 5000 multiply Report force in negative. Whenever force is negative, it means it is retarding in nature. It will reduce the speed. So prepare these numericals properly. Thank you.